shop and got smoothies.
Yeah, here's the crop tops.
Small. See the S? That's you.
Yeah.
I mean, this is cute. Red is a good color.
I think I want a different color. Oh, what about this pinky? That's cute. That's refreshing.
Put a stain. Oh no, strawberry gold.
We drove to Kabuya town and went to this bakery. Ham and cheese sandwich.
Stay on the marked trail.
Oh my
You can
gosh.
recommend it to walk with a guide. So it's quite.
Yeah, that seems kind of scary. It's okay, we'll be fine. Let's go.
A guy selling jewelry. Next thing you know, we see this beauty. That's impressive. Guys, so we made it back to the hostel. And oh my gosh, the waterfall. It was so pretty. I was not expecting it to be that big. And yeah, that was crazy. The reason why the water is brown, by the way, it's because of all the mud that comes through. So yeah, rainy season. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. So bye, see you in the next one. I saw so many cute fish. Thanks for watching. Bye.